morning. Today, I want to discuss to you my gun. No, it's not a real gun. It's my gas gun, my nail gun. I will show you the brand Speed Pulsa 800. This is not a brand new. I already used it in the site, but I still want to show you what's inside of this box. So this is the Speed Pulsa 800. It's a gas gun. This is powered by, as I've said, it's a gas gun. This is powered by a gas together with a battery. The gas and it's 3.8 lithium battery. Later, I will show you how it works. This is the magazine. To install the cartridge, by the way, this is the nails that we are using. You need to unlock and then insert and then lock. To remove, simply reverse. Now, in case that this unit will jam, we can remove its magazine. And then open it here. So once again, this is the Speed Pulsa 800 gastacker. By the way, gentlemen, this is a gas gun. This is not a toy gun or anything. Please do not point this one to any person. In case that there's no problem in propelling because the nails do not propel, because the nails don't possess this. This is the type of nail that don't have what's this, gunpowder, so it will not propel. Unlike other models of this one have gas, definitely it can hit, the nails will propel and then hit somebody. Now I show you how to operate this one. You can now insert the gas cartridge to the gas chamber. Next, insert the battery. Make sure that this will turn on. As you can see, the level of gas and the level of the battery is shown here. Ready? So, sample. So, by the way, my friend, this tool is very useful in case you are working in huge projects. Instead of drilling and putting fixed heads and screwing, you can directly put your item, for example, filings, and then nail it. Because it's very time consuming to drill and put text and then screw. It's very time consuming. Unlike we are using this one, it's only position shot, position shot, position shot. The item, our material will be instantly installed. So that is how we use this one, our Pulsa 800 gas stacker. And of course, my friend, after we use this one, always remove the gas from its gas chamber and the battery. Never mind the battery. You already... So, once again, this is our Pulsa 800 from Spitz. This is a gas stacker. I hope you have bits of learning today in our discussion. Shukran, and be safe always.